December 20th, 2020. We are looking at the Great Conjunction right now. Hi, I'm Char. Welcome to the channel. This is the Energy Share playlist. We've got a moon up there beautifully. We were told that there was a big snowstorm coming, so totally blessed to be able to walk out my door and look at this. Look at this. We have Saturn and Jupiter right there. Oh my God. Look at how amazingly blessed we are to see this. Oh, come on back, come on back, come on back. Where are you, where are you, where are you, where are you? Dusk there. Now see, I thought I was going to have to go hiking to be able to catch these guys tonight. The moon is not quite in the quite right location. It's still to the left of us quite a bit. But being able to have clear skies and come out here and capture this conjunction. Oh, Mama's excited. All right, let's line these up. Look at these. I'm so emotional right now. I have like tears welling up. Oh, look at this. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Holy crap, you guys. Jupiter and Saturn. That's winter solstice magic right there. Okay, you guys, this Jupiter and that Saturn. Every 800 years, these two pass. Look at us on solstice. Woo. Saturn and Jupiter. I named my cat after. Come here. Oops. Alright, I've got a super close up on Saturn and Jupiter right now. And here's my view. So dark, you can't even see it right now. Oh my goodness. See that? Oh, the twinkling up top, that's them. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Click a box, find the other videos, and I will see you next time.